Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Continue last lectures, we have to reach up to the application of determinant and main thing behind that is useful. Yes, let us check. From this diagram you see the triangle and inside there is another triangle. It is not sufficient. By geometrical view, we are now highlight ABC is any triangle. AB had midpoint F, AC had midpoint E, and BC had midpoint D. What is midpoint? We know exactly mid-segment theorem. That is midpoint segment theorem. The segment that joins the midpoints of a pair of sides of a triangle is parallel to third side, half as long as third side. What are they? E is the midpoint of AD, B is the midpoint of AC, R is the midpoint of DC. Exactly. If we join these E, B, R and we form a triangle, and this AD is parallel to BR, DC is parallel to EB, and AC is obviously parallel to ER. This is the theorem in geometry, but we have to use the application for this. For this, we have to must revise the midpoint formula. What is exactly midpoint formula? Oh yes, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This more highlight in this diagram. AC is any light segment, B is the midpoint. It derived from C have the coordinates x1, y1 and A have the coordinates x2, y2. Then B is derived by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now we have to take the example based on these two concepts. What is that? If A, B, C are the points minus 1, comma 5, 3, comma 1, 5, comma 7 and D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively, show that the area of triangle ABC is 4 times area of triangle DEF. This is shown by the figure. So one by one step, we have to find first area of triangle ABC, then we have to find the area of DEF, then we have to prove that one by one. So for this, we have to need the area of triangle determinant formula. But before go to determinant formula of triangle, we have to find the midpoint. It is easily 3 plus 5 upon 2, 8 upon 2 is 4. 1 plus 7, 8 upon 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 that is 4 upon 2 is 2. 5 plus 7, 12 upon 2 is 6. F minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 is 2 upon 2, 1. 5 plus 1, 6 upon 2, 3. Now we have to must highlight area of triangle ABC. Obviously x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So we have to put now the x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 from the given figure. That is minus 1, 3, 5, 5, 1, 7, 1, 1, 1. We have to use the concept to find evaluate the value of 3 by 3 order determinant. We have to keep first row, first column skip, that is minus 1 is available there in the center of the first row and first column. 1 into 1, 7 into 1, 7, 1 minus 7. Second column, first row, we have to skip the 5 is minus. So we have to take 3 into 1, 3 and minus 5 into 1, 5. We complete the second term. Now first row, last column, 3 into 7, 21, minus 5 into 1, 5. Simplifying, minus 6, 1 minus 7, minus 6, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 21 minus 5, 16. We have to multiply minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6, minus 5 into 2, that is obviously minus plus 10, and 16 into 1, 16. 16 plus 10 plus 6, 32. We divided 1 upon 2 to 32. So 32 divided by 16 by 2. The square units of the area of triangle ABC. Now area of DEF, we have to take the midpoint. That is highlighted in our diagram. 4, 4, 1, 2, 6, 1, 1, 3, 1. Same criteria we have to apply for value of 3 by 3 order determinant. First row, first column skip. 4 is the center of first row and first column. 6 into 1, 6, minus 3 into 1. First row, second column we have to skip. That is 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 4 is big in the middle term. That is we have to must remind that. First row, last column, the center of element is 1. We should write plus 1 here. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 1, minus 6. The 6 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 1, minus 4. And 1 into 0, 0. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 is easily divided by 2. That is exactly 4 square unit. From above result, we have to put the format 4 into area of triangle DEF. We derive 4 is fixed. We derive 4 is the answer of area of DEF. 4 into 4 is 16. It is exactly area of triangle ABC. We prove that area of triangle ABC is equal to exactly 4 times area of DEF. That is the exact application of the determinant in our geometry purpose also. And easily we have to evaluate such example. Obviously, example practice. You have to must solve for prove that the area of triangle whose vertices are 5, 2, minus 9, minus 3 and minus 3, minus 5 is the 4 times the area of triangle formed by the line joining the midpoints for the side. You must highlight A, B, C are the main points. Their midpoints D, E, F. You same diagram you have to follow, but the coordinates are different. And we have to use the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Be careful for solving this example as for the 8 marks question. Now obviously summary of this chapter. In this chapter we study the area of triangle whose vertices are x, r, y, r. Any types of vertices. Then the area of triangle is given by 1 upon 2 x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y2, 1 1 1. If the determinant is 0, then the 3 points given, that is 3 vertices are given, are collinear. Equation of straight line is passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2 is. The equation of line have the variable x, y. That's why we have to put x, y in the first ordinate, x2, y2, x3, y3 and 1 1 1. We derive the final answer evaluating 3 by 3 determinant. In this chapter, we study the 2 by 2 order determinant value AD minus BC. In this chapter, very important topic we discuss many times, that is evaluate 3 by 3 order determinant. How? We have to skip first row, first column and first row skip. So A2 2, A2 3, A3 2, A3 3. First row, second column. So we have to keep 8, 1, 2 negative. Always remind that. So we have the A21, A23, A31, A33. Next, first row and last column, A21, A22, A31 and A32. We should write and remind always this step. Oh, obviously, Cramer's rule for 2 equation and 2 variables. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. First, step number 2, we have to find D. Taking coefficient of x a1 a2 and coefficient of y b1 b2, evaluating crossing multiplication a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Step 3, dx. Instead of x variable coefficient a1 a2, we have to put c1 c2. Same criteria, b1 b2 remain as the same, c1 into b2, c2 into b1. Step number 4, dy is equal to, how we derive the dy? Instead of the coefficient of y, we have to put, instead of b1 b2, we have to put c1 c2. So we evaluate a1 into c2, a2 into c1 minus. Step number 5 is important. X is equal to dx upon dy is equal to dy by d. Always remind that d not equal to 0 in a Cramer's rule. Oh, Cramer's rule for 3 equation and 3 variables. We discussed it is many times. The given system have the a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. We have to find d. How? Taking the coefficient of x, y and z. a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. dx. Obviously, instead of the coefficient of x, we have to put d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. X and y coefficient remain as the same? No. Y and z coefficient remain same. To evaluate dy, instead of the coefficient of b1, b2, b3, we have to put d1, d2, d3. Then a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3, c1, c2, c3 remains same. Last but not least, our instead of coefficient of z variable c1, c2, c3, we have to put d1, d2, d3. Remaining coefficient of x and y are same. a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. X is derived by dx upon d, y is derived by dy by d, z is derived by dz upon d. You have to must practice this example once again. I given the example based on that a textile industry sell three brands B1, B2, B3 of yarn. Each of these blend Pakistani, Egyptian and American cotton in a ratio. They given the ratio. If cost is B1, B2, B3 is 40, 50, 60, find the cost of cotton of each country. It is your assignment question. You have to must solve using which concept? Obviously using the Cramer's rule you have to easily find. One more example, you like the ice cream? Oh, yes. So, in this example, the persons and flavors are given. Obviously, the persons are Aslam, Babar and Chishti. And flavors are pineapple, strawberry, vanilla. That's very favorite flavor of all the student. They given the 2 scoop, 3 scoop, 5 scoop are given. Strawberry 3, 2, 1 and vanilla 2, 2, 1. They are given that the payment they given 37, 39 and 44. So let x, y and z be the cost of scoop of pineapple, strawberry and vanilla flavor and respectively. Then according to this condition which method is applicable. In this example it is very easy method is applicable. They given the variables in the form of x, y, z. So we write x, y, z as a variable. The coefficient first we have to take the Aslam is covered in a x variable. So we have to write to it is what? It is not this way. Aslam, Barber and Chishti have the pineapple flavor. We highlight that is the coefficient of x variable. So 2, 3, 5. This is coefficient of the Aslam, Barber and Chishti. Next y is highlight for the our strawberry flavor. So for strawberry we have the 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 because Aslam, Barber and Chishti. Coefficient they given. And our vanilla flavor obviously we allotted the z variable. For z variable we have to put the coefficient that is 2, 2, 1. And cost price is obviously first system. That is the full payment by the Aslam. For Aslam give the 2, 3, 2. Pineapple, strawberry, vanilla 37 rupees. Next x. What is the 3x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 39. How it is derived? Oh yes. Babar gives the 3, 2, 2. The second equation of the our ice cream for the Barber. Oh. Interesting name. And the list. No, it is last. Chisti 511. So this team give us the 511 and payment she given is 44. Now we have to solve this given system of equation by 3 by 3 orders. Cramer's rule is applicable. First you have to highlight the D. D is what? 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 5, 1, 1. What is dx? Oh, it's more easy. Instead of x coefficient we have to put 37, 39, 44, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. dy. Instead of y coefficient we have to put the 37, 39, 44. That is look like this way. 2, 3, 5, 37, 39, 44, 2, 2, 1 is remain as the same. Next dz. That is my favorite. What is dz then we have to derive? 2, 3, 5 remain as the same. 3, 2, 1 remain as the same. 2, 2, 1 instead of 2, 2, 1 we have to put 37, 39 and 44. Evaluating such type of the matrix equation using this pattern is called matrix equation. We have to solve this by determinant and we have to solve this. We have to get the exact value of x, y and z. That is pineapple flavor ice cream, strawberry flavor ice cream and vanilla flavor ice cream. Each determinant is useful in your real life example. Let us check. This is also your assignment question. You have to must find the both the questions answers. First I given the textile industry example. Second your favorite example that is the vanilla ice cream pineapple ice cream and strawberry, your all favorite. So you must find the d, dx, dy, dz, and use x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d, and